Looking for a compact PC case that packs serious power without sacrificing style or cooling? The A4-H2O is an 11-liter small form factor case that stands out for its sleek design and impressive hardware compatibility. Designed in collaboration with Dan Cases, it's built to support Founders Edition 30 series GPUs and 240mm all-in-one AIO liquid coolers, making it a rare find for enthusiasts who want a minimalist setup without compromise. What makes the A4-H2O truly special is how it simplifies the building process despite its tight dimensions. Thanks to front panel access, installing your GPU becomes straightforward, even in such a compact frame. The removable bottom cover isn't just for show, it supports SSD mounting and helps keep your cables neat and tidy. Plus, the detachable fan bracket makes installing your AIO radiator and fan combo easier than ever. It's a thoughtful design that balances form and function in every inch. I've seen plenty of small cases, but the A4-H2O impresses with its quality and airflow. Users consistently praise its high-quality metal frame and elegant design. While building in such a tight space can be challenging, following a build guide video makes the process much smoother. And once it's up and running, the case keeps temperatures reasonable, better than many other ITX cases, and stays quiet, so your system performs without distracting noise. If you're ready to downsize your setup without sacrificing performance or aesthetics, the A4-H2O is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who wants a powerful, compact PC with water cooling support and clean cable management. Whether you're a first-time small form factor builder or upgrading to a more refined case, this model delivers what you need with style and efficiency. Ready to build your dream compact PC? The A4-H2O offers a unique blend of minimalist design, smart features, and solid performance. Check it out when you're ready to step into the world of small form factor builds that don't cut corners on quality or cooling.